Okay, so the first thing, swallowing the frog that we were talking about this morning, we did that straight away at about 10 minutes after we finished, and we got that out of the way, which was terrific. We got the gentleman on the phone, we had a great catch up. I was able to introduce him, or reintroduce him to Michael, because they do talk together before, so that was great for me personally. Then did reevaluate a few goals and change them because of how the flow of everything that's happening in here, which has been really exciting. Had another friend who's in the Waikato that I'm trying to get to Auckland, and didn't want to push because he's got his other business that he's doing, you know, and so I thought I'll chuck him on the phone to Mumford because they've met and, you know, we had a catch up. So that went really well with Mumford, and anyway, a follow-up from yesterday when we bought the stuff at the warehouse, the lady, her husband got hold of him. He's a fellow that does endurance sports, he's got bad knees. So he got super excited when I mentioned the two athletes, because that's his thing. He's also into real estate here, he's a local. So when I said I was sitting with a very wealthy gentleman, I could hear the excitement. He's committed to coming along on Wednesday, and he's already just texted me back, who were those two triathletes again? And so I've sent him Russell's website, and I said, yeah, look, just go here and Google these, and then I just had another, so I thought I'd phone Russell just to say we may have a three-way with this particular gentleman, and he is so super excited. We just sat out there on the phone, this was just before, and we're sitting there, and this was the guy who said, you know, I can see his potential in it, and he's going, mate, we've got to do something with this. He said, you know, I've got to get Kim, who I spoke to yesterday, which was the lady that we spoke with, so she's super excited. She said, yeah, she talked to you, she said, yes, you are cheeky, and so we got on with this. It's just all, the whole energy of everything is really lifting and just flowing through all these people with not having to force it, which I think is the power of using the great team that we have here. And it's just reinforcing my belief that this is what I want to do, and this is the right group of people to actually do it with. And yeah, so swallowed some frogs, set some goals. I actually sent the longest text I've ever sent in my life, and I think we copy and pasted it to somewhere, didn't we? We've done something with it, I'm going to use it again. So the goals are coming thick and fast, and it's been great. I thank everyone for the help. And I'd just like to say, for the ones that weren't here for this afternoon's presentation, that they're just absolute gold. The people that I invited, we had 100% turn up plus one extra, and they just loved you guys. I could tell that was the Maori girls and the ladies at the end. And I said to Cherie after it was all finished, you know, what did you think? And she goes, I hate you. I've got to get back on that stuff. And she's just so buzzing. And I said, yeah, we'll do that. And the lady that she brought, this is Liz, who you have a connection with, super excited. So yeah, the power of these things cannot be underestimated to use what you people give us. So big thanks to everybody.